So hi guys, if you want to, I'm gonna start my homemade squishy. So where did I put that? Okay, I got it. Thought it was in here. This is gonna be so small. Okay, I'm starting my next one, the back side. So, let me just finish that. We also need to get the tape and stapler. So, yeah. I fell. Okay. So I'm all done coloring in the red. Now I just need to make the French fries. It looks like they're burnt. So let's just color those in. And yeah. Now let me go get the tape. And stick right there. Okay guys. Could you hear me? I'm so new. So I do not know this is the same size. No, this is totally not the same size. But I'm gonna cut the French fries short so it's good. I tape it before I cut it, because I think it's easier to tape it first before you cut it. But I think get the harder step part first is the what do you call it? Sticking it on tape. I was gonna tell this a stapler. I don't know why. Why can you not see my face? Maybe you can see the ground. Okay. Now I have to get the scissors that I never have. So these are my scissors. When I was a small kid, so when I was big, I'm gonna get the scissors first. So I'm gonna cut that piece off. So where? Oh yeah, I can't cut on it anymore. So I might cut this one down, like oh no. But the other four was fine. So I do like the rounding after. I cut the piece off. So I cut the pieces off that is not supposed to be there. So it's kind of a little like hard Mine's are like I make difficulty ones, so that's why. I like making paper squishies because they're like a nice activity. Like when you're bored, you have nothing to do, you could just do this. And just don't be lazy and go on your phone. So, let's keep going, just keep going, just to keep going. Keep going. Okay. So I cut the surface off. It is like a crazy. Oh, look at that! It looks so much French fries in it. So now, let's put okay. So I have the bag. So I am going to cut it into a smaller base. So basically, like right here, because it's small enough. So, oh yeah, this is perfect. It's the size as a pom ball. So, let's see if this could turn into a pom ball. Look at that. Let's just put it in. Keep it flat so you can see. I always cut down the surfaces when I'm done, like the extra. So, let's just get this. Let's just keep taping, or what is this called? Stapling all the French fries together. It's kind of weird just stapling French fries. What are people doing to French fries? You can see, yeah, I am in my pajamas because I just seriously just got up from sleeping. Actually, this is really cute. I did put a bow if you noticed that. It was ripped a little bit, but this is actually pretty cute. The French fries are still like loopy. So let's just put the bag down here where nobody can see it. This is actually pretty cute. Cute French fries. So, let's go do another one. If you want to go subscribe, click the bell up here, and go check out my next video when I do another one. Bye!